Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, here I am outside town for a bit because, well, I'm taking some holidays, but I will still upload my next video as soon as I can. And, well, I just want to get this video out to wish you all Merry Christmas. I mean, I may be late for that, but whatever. Better late than never, I guess. I also want to wish you all Happy New Year and Happy Holidays. I want to thank you for all the views, likes, comments that my last video got. I'm really happy about it, and I'm playing a bit too, so don't forget to subscribe for that. I'm also working on my shop. Don't forget I have a shop build series stuff going around. I'm working for the part 2, so I think I already have pretty much everything recorded, but I have to edit, and my laptop here is not that powerful for that. So yeah, sorry, but still, I have also planned a pro charger build and a side blower channel supercharge. I also have planned a mini scooter with a 4-stroke engine that I got from a trimmer, and also a mini bike built with a chainsaw. So if you are interested in any of that, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, thank you for being around, thank you for subscribing to the channel, thank you for leaving a like. I'm really happy with the channel. We are really close to reach 400 subscribers, and I'm more than happy. I'm really happy. So yeah, I wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays. Catch you later, guys. Bye.